Now, in this latest development in this whole Deshdrohi and nationalism, anti-nationalism saga, we have this incident where this chap has gone inside JNU and then attacked Kanhaiya Kumar, and apparently he wanted to teach Kanhaiya Kumar a lesson. Now, wh- the whole point is that is this the way that you start attacking people, and irrespective of whether he's actually a Deshdrohi or not, and whatever he said about the army, but we basically what Kanhaiya Kumar said is that these people, these army jawans, they actually end up these raping women in Kashmir, etc. Which I come from an army background. I can tell you that it is not entirely false, but yet people are getting all emotional and charged up about it, which is unfortunate. And Z News is of course playing this whole game very well. But most shocking, much beyond all this is the kind of responses that people have given. And this person says, otherwise, he's not even meant to live in India. JNU students should take action. They should raise their voice against him. This is still okay. Now, this person says, keep it up, friend. If you ever get a chance to attack him, please just give him who's Deshdrohi. Matlab, the Kanhaiya Kumar has been proclaimed a Deshdrohi. One more slap from my side. Hats off to you, friend. Wow. And if you look at this person's profile, she's a teacher. Imagine she's a teacher at this particular school, रूपलान पब्लिक स्कूल. अब इमेजिन, अब एक टीचर की अगर सोच ऐसी है यार, वेदर उसने कुछ किया है चाहे नहीं किया है, चाहे वो देशद्रोही है चाहे नहीं है, कौन हमें हक देता है यार कि आप किसी को मारे एंड किसी को ऐसे अटैक करें? आप कानून किस लिए? वरना तो आप कानून का ही मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. Nobody has the right to do all this, and this is the kind of views that these so-called teachers hold. So that is what is most shocking. Now, this one is probably another teacher because she says worked at this higher secondary school, lives in Mahadevpur. And this one says, well done, Vikash. Hats off to you. Give Kanhaiya countless slaps. अब बस थप्पड़ मारे जाओ. Front kick, back kick till he become hospitalized. ये एक टीचर बोल रही है. तो आप अगले जनरेशन में आप क्या वैल्यूज दे रहे हैं, क्या सिखा रहे हैं? क्या यही हमें सिखाया गया है कि आप बस कानून अपने हाथ में ले लो और जो मर्जी करना है करो? इफ ही इज सेइंग समथिंग which all of you have already come to the conclusion that it's wrong, then let the law take its own course. Already there have been so many debates about those videos being doctored, and yet आपको उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. Now this next person goes one step further. He says, waiting for a news, Kanhaiya Rahul Kejriwal killed by a unknown guy, necessary for the betterment of India. ये लोग खून पे तक अब उतर आ गए हैं कि भाई मार डालो, उससे इंडिया जो है इंडिया का भला होगा. तो वाह वाह वाह, आई मीन आई समटाइम्स आई जस्ट गेट स्पीचलेस बाय द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट दीज पीपल से कि भैया बस खून खराबा करो, वो भी एज लॉन्ग एज इट्स इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द नेशन इट इज फाइन. Now they are deciding, and they're coming to their own definitions of what is good for the country. So it's just sad. It is just sad, and the more you see these comments, you will find for yourself. Somebody saying good. This one is saying well done, Vikas Bhai. Vikas Bhai did right thing. Every true Indian may attacks him every day. English किसी को आती नहीं, लेकिन जी अपने वो बयान तो मारने ही मारने हैं. अब नाउ दिस गाय सेज अपकमिंग केजरी थप्पड़ पड़ने की शुरुआत हो गई है. जिस दिन हमारे हाथ लग गया ना, चमड़ा उतार के रख देंगे. So this is what they've come down to. कि भाई now they'll start attacking, and they'll this whole so many incidents now we've had in India where people have taken law into their own hands. This whole mob mentality, this is so dangerous because इसमें क्या होता है, बस एक झुंड इकट्ठा हो जाए एंड वो किसी को भाई गिल्टी प्रोक्लेम कर दे. अब आई गिव यू एन सिंपल एग्जांपल. आप कहीं खड़े हैं, आपको किसी से कुछ बदला लेना है, आप बस 10 लोगों को इकट्ठा कर लो, चिल्लाने लग जाओ अगला जी चोर है या रेपिस्ट है या जो भी है. बस सब आपकी बात को एकदम पत्थर पे लकीर मान लेंगे और बस अगले को की पिटाई शुरू कर देंगे. तो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी डेंजरस ट्रेंड. ऐसे नहीं करते हैं. फॉर गॉड सेक, try to understand this is something wrong. You don't take the law in your own hands. If you just simply come to the conclusion that somebody is wrong, let the law take its own recourse. आप खुद अपने हाथ जो है कानून को नहीं ले सकते हैं. That is the point that I really want to make, and these kind of elements should not be allowed at all, and these kind of activities should not be encouraged. Unfortunately, we are seeing just the opposite, where people are making a hero out of the idiots like this guy, irrespective of what Kanhaiya Kumar has said or done, or what he is, whether he's a Deshdrohi or not a Deshdrohi. We've already had these Gunda lawyers inside Patiala House Court who've shown what their कानून का रक्षक ही भक्षक बन रहा हो, तो there's little that one can say. But I'm just shocked that teachers की भी ऐसी राय है. So it's just unfortunate and spells a very very sad future for the country.